Okay, so I believe that Bitcoin is going to the moon. I believe that this thing is going to take off. That's why I invest in it. However, it's highly risky, it's very speculative, and you might as well consider everything I say as complete satire. That's the bottom line. Make your own investment decisions. These are my investment decisions. They may prove to be incredible or they may prove to be horrible. However, part of my investing in Bitcoin is I invest in mining, cloud mining, such as Genesis. Cloud mining is incredible. Genesis has been around for a long time. By all accounts, they're probably the most reputable company in the mining space, in the Bitcoin mining space, but I absolutely love them. And uh, the reason I love Genesis mining so much is because it's a great way to be able to imagine for a moment if you could buy gold today. I think gold might be somewhere around 12 or $1,300 an ounce right now. But imagine if you could buy gold right now, but you were able to buy it at $1,100 an ounce, and then once it was mined, it was worth $1,200 because that's the price today, $1,200. It didn't go up in value. That's the hope with Genesis mining. Now, it doesn't always work out that way. There's a lot of things that are outside of your control. But the whole goal is to be able to pay for mining software, pay for, excuse me, pay for mining contract, not have to do any of the mining yourself, not have to buy the hardware yourself, not have to have the technical expertise. Literally just buy a mining contract. It starts mining for you. And then here's the best part. They pay you daily. You get paid every single day. Now, hang on just one second. So here's an example of how profitable it can be, or at least here's a good way. This is a website, coinwars.com. They have a Bitcoin mining calculator profitability. So if you come over here right now, I can tell you that prices, they're sold out of Bitcoin contracts right now. But just to give you an example, I believe, um, so $30 for 200 gigahash. In fact, I would never do that. I would buy more than that. Let's come over here to the diamond plan. So $1,900, and by the way, I usually spend a couple $100 a month, personally. So we'll come here. 300 and I have a little less than this, about here's what I have, 1.65 terahash, which is this is 2.5 terahash. 1,000 gigahash equals 1 terahash. So here's how we do it. $350 for 2,500 gigahash. Watch this. 2,500 gigahash. Cost is $250. Full fees approximately 28%. So calculate. Now this is assuming difficulty of mining doesn't go up and Bitcoin price stays the same right now. At this, oh, that's wrong. Hang on, what did I do wrong here? Hold on. Okay, I figured out what I did wrong. There's no power cost, and I had this dollar amount wrong. So it's $350 for 2,500 gig hash, as you can see right here. $350, 2,500 gigahash. Current price, current difficulty. Calculate. I believe that's 28%. Let's see. Yep, that's correct. So right now, as of this recording, you would be earning daily $1.78. Daily, $1.78 every single day. And it would go straight to your wallet. I use the Exodus wallet. I can do a review on that in another video. $1.78 every single day. $53 a month, and that's on your $350 contract price, and it will take 197 days. By the way, your contract will last indefinitely as long as it's profitable and it covers its fees. So, I'm guessing 2 or 3 years or more is my expectation on my own contracts. So that's a pretty massive return. And here's the thing. Here's part of what I do. I continue to buy these contracts as long as they're profitable. So I take this money, $1.78 a day. Well, you can buy a contract for as low as when they're in stock. They're not in stock right now. They'll be back in another couple weeks. But for $30, you can buy a contract. So literally, every time there is $30, roughly probably about every 20 days, buy another contract. That's the way I do it. I actually buy it once a month though, but I reinvest this money, and I have my own money that I reinvest, a couple $100 a month, the disposable income that I invest into mining contracts. And I just keep buying more and more mining contracts. My goal is to grow my mining contracts. Again, this is, this is according to current market price and current market difficulty, and provided that they have them. Right now, I'm saving. I have about $300 that I'm just waiting to invest. As soon as these come back on the market, I'm going to be jumping in. By the way, if you use my code down below this video, I'll use your code. So let me rephrase that. I will randomly select a code, but right now this is a small channel. There's not a lot of code, so chances are I'll be using your code if you put it up there or put it down there. If there's a lot of codes, I'll randomly select a code and I'll make multiple upgrades. But at the end of the day, right now I'm holding $300, and in another week or two, I'll have another $100, at least maybe another $200 to buy mining contracts as soon as they become available. This is part of my investment strategy. I want to ultimately grow this to like 1,000 terahash or more. I just want to grow this. I want to get to a point eventually where I'm earning a Bitcoin a day. That's my ultimate goal. That's where I'm headed. This is just the very, very beginning of that. So you can follow along. This channel, I usually put up like crypto news, positive crypto news is going on, showing things that I believe will bode well for the future of cryptocurrency. I genuinely believe that Bitcoin, currently valued a little over $3,000, $4,300 today. I believe that there will come a time where it's possible we could see six-figure Bitcoin, 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, maybe $1 million, all depending on how it moves forward, how governments respond to it, and that sort of thing. And in other videos, I have whole scenarios on how I can see mass adoption taking place. I can see government pushback. It doesn't really matter what happens. I believe that cryptocurrency, blockchain technology is here to stay. I believe it is the future, and I believe that ultimately, long term, the price is going up. Therefore, I'm investing in it, and I'm planning to invest in it heavily over time. So if you want to join Genesis Mining, you can click on my link below, use my discount code, get 3% off. So let's just look at this for a moment, by the way. If I would have had a discount code, I would have saved, what's that, 3%, 15 plus 60, about $75 off right here. So that would have been $75 would have been 24, 25, I believe. Oh, what am I doing? Wrong spot. $75 would have been 3% off here would have been let's just say 650, I believe. 9, no, it would have been more than that, sorry. So $10.50. So let's just say 340. Previously it was 197 days, and it was $1.78. Here it's 191 days, and still $1.78. But you break even a little bit sooner. So 3% savings is a 3% savings. Use my code below, get a 3% savings, and make sure you include your code down below, and I'll upgrade and try to use your code next time. Thank you very much for watching. Click subscribe. Stay tuned for my next videos. I start to roll out my billion-dollar Bitcoin blueprint. That's the investment strategy that I follow. Totally insane, totally crazy, with the expectation that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole, this industry is going to become massively valuable over time. Thanks for watching.